to find your Facebook ads receipt. If you need proof of payment, want to download an invoice, check your ad charges, or keep records for your business expenses, you can find everything inside Meta Ads Manager. First, open your web browser and go to Meta Ads Manager. Log into the Facebook account connected to your business or ad account. Then make sure you select the correct ad account before checking your receipts. Next, open the main menu and go to Billing and Payments. This is the section where Meta shows your payment methods, current balance, transaction history, invoices, and past ad charges. Inside Billing and Payments, look for the Transactions or Payment Activity section. Here, you'll see a list of all charges made to your ad account. You can usually filter the results by date range, payment status, or transaction type to find the exact receipt you need. Now, select the date range for the payment you want to find. For example, if you need a receipt from last month, choose that month in the filter. Meta will then show the payments and ad charges from that period. Once you find the payment, click on it to open the details. You should see information like the amount charged, payment method, transaction ID, billing date, and the ad account connected to that charge. To download the receipt, look for the download button, receipt option, or invoice link. Click it, and Meta will generate a receipt or invoice file that you can save to your computer. In most cases, the file will download as a PDF. If you manage multiple ad accounts, make sure you are checking the correct one. Receipts are tied to each specific ad account, so charges from one business may not appear in another account. If you don't see the receipt right away, try expanding the date range or checking older transactions. You can also look under Billing Settings, Payment Activity, or Invoices, depending on your Meta layout. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to find your Facebook ads receipt. The main steps are simple. Open Ads Manager, go to Billing and Payments, check your transaction history, choose the right date range, open the payment, and download the receipt. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more Facebook ads, Meta ads, and digital marketing tutorials.